Hey guys, my name is Alyssa and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone 10. So before we get into the video, please subscribe, that would be great. And also like this video if you want to see more. Okay, so this is the lock screen of my iPhone. It's just a picture that I got from Pinterest, and when you open it up, the first page, it's basically just random apps, like just the ones that come on the phone and some social media. At the top it's mail, calendar, photos, camera, maps, clock, weather, notes, which I use not a lot, not as much as other people might use the Notes app, but I do use it quite frequently. I have a few notes in there. The App Store, I never update any of my apps, so I always have like 50 plus apps that need updating. Health, wallet, settings, Snapchat, and if you want to follow me on Snapchat, it is right there, RLS. So I post pretty often, like almost every day on Snapchat, so you can go follow me there. Then Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Chase for my banking, NBC Sports, and Fox Sports Go. Okay, so those two apps, I'm a pretty big Mets fan, so if I'm ever out and I want to see a game that might be broadcasting on like any of these networks, then I can just open up the app, log in with my TV provider.
2 hours later.
Log in with my TV provider, and then I'm able to just watch the game on my phone. On the next page I have a games folder. I don't really have many folders, I only have 3. In the games I have Color Road, Fortnite.
Oh my god!
Helix Jump, Mad Skills BMX, Rise Up, Splashy, Subway Surf. I used to be really into Subway Surfers. I played it a lot. Flipmaster, Flip Diving. On second page, 2048 and Pokemon Go. For Pokemon Go, I actually used this so much. Like when it first came out in 2016, I was in Central Park. There's like this spot that you go to, I think it's 59th and 5th, where there's like hundreds of people that just go there and play. You can catch tons of stuff. Here I'm almost halfway through level 23. I stopped playing it for like a year. But yeah, that's that. To the next folder, it's productivity. I just have my Canon app, which connects to my camera, of course, and Gboard because I use Google Keyboard. My extras is just other random stuff that just come on the phone. I think you can delete some of this, but I have Compass, Find Friends, Find iPhone, Calculator, and Watch, which obviously connects to my Apple Watch. Then I have Podcasts. For the podcast app, I've actually been listening to podcasts a lot because when I'm at work I can have my headphones in, so that's pretty much all I'm listening to all day, and then sometimes I switch it up with music. Then AccuWeather, Activity, ADP, which is for my job. I can see like my pay stub and whatnot. Amazon, which I use so much. I'm ordering things from Amazon maybe like once or twice a week. Then AppBat, which is the MLB app, but you can switch it, the like icon on your home screen, to match whatever team that is your team. So I changed mine to the Mets. And then Babbel, which is a language learning app. Best Buy, Bitmoji, Boomerang. Now, for Boomerang, I've always been kind of confused on this. Do you need a separate app? Because I thought it was already integrated within Instagram. I'm just really not sure, but I have it there anyway. Then Domino's, DoorDash, Facetune. I don't really edit much on Facetune. I don't use it too much, and if I do, it's very light editing, because I know some people, they airbrush like their entire photo, and it's kind of crazy looking. Then I have Fios Mobile, which is for the television, Google Maps, Google Photo, Kick Map, which is just a New York City subway map. You can just see the different train lines and whatnot. I don't really use it too much just because I don't really go anywhere that I don't know where I'm going, so I don't take the subway as much as I used to. Then I have Life 360, which is like a family locating app, Lyft, MTA e-Tix.
2,000 years later.
Lyft, MTA e-Tix, which is just, I can buy my tickets. If I'm taking the train, I can put it on my phone. Verizon, because that's my cell phone provider. Pinterest, I don't use it a lot. like I said, I really only go on there if I'm looking for wallpaper or like outfit inspiration or something like that. ADT, which is just home security. Amex Serve. So it's basically a prepaid card, so I can use that instead of swiping my debit card, especially like in sketchy places where you might not have cash but you still need to make a purchase. You might not want to swipe your debit card, so this is a better option. Shazam. Starbucks, which I've been using a lot more. I used to go to Starbucks all the time, and I never used the app, but now I try to remember so I can at least get some points for my purchases at Starbucks, so I have that. Target, train time, so I know which time the train's coming, of course. Translate, which is just a translation app, so I usually do from like Russian to English, English to Russian, stuff like that. Uber, Uber Eats, Visco, which I use to edit all my Instagram pictures. Not every picture I have in here is posted on Instagram, but if I want to test out like an editing like routine, I guess, that's dumb.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb, for real.
American Airlines. I do have an upcoming trip this year, later this year, so I just have my ticket already in the app, so I might not have to just get like a physical boarding pass. Then I have Chase Pay. I'm still not too sure how to work Chase Pay. I never really looked into it. I think it's like I don't know, I have to look, I'm not sure. But then I have Yelp. I don't use this really at all. Zillow Rental, so whenever I get the urge to want to move out, then I just look to see what's available in the area. Poshmark, Mercari, two selling apps I'm sure all of you guys know. I just don't use Poshmark that often anymore. I used to sell a lot of things there, but I'm just too lazy to go through what I have that I couldn't potentially sell. So then I have Airy and Fonto. Fonto is what I use to edit the thumbnails for my videos, and then SiriusXM. Because with the app and online, you can listen to the stations for free and you don't have to pay, like if you were to have it in your car. At the bottom, I have Messages, Safari, Music, and Phone. For my music, I've been listening to a lot of random stuff. There's some country music here, then I have like just a lot of random music. And yeah, so guys, that's it for this video. And again, if you liked it, please subscribe, please like the video, and there'll definitely be more like it in the future. Please subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.